of the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial of North Texas. This gentleman has been the one who had this vision of the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial, and as it is materializing today, I want to personally, on myself, on behalf of the entire community, thank him and the entire team for getting this job done. And now inviting the co-chair of the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial of North Texas, Mr. Tayyab Kundawala, and he'd like to share a few words with you.
नमस्कार, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. Good evening, distinguished guests, community leader, dear friends, भाई और बहनों. I welcome you all on behalf of Mahatma Gandhi Memorial of North Texas. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of this project. Thank you all for being here to witness the history, unveiling of Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Plaza. Soon you will bring your guests and family here and proudly say, I was here for the grand opening event. This beautiful, one-of-a-kind monument will be cherished by the generations to come. It will remind them the lessons of our beloved Bapu Gandhiji, love, truth and non-violence. I am here to introduce the man behind the project. Dr. Prasad Thotakura is a versatile community leader, par excellence, and has been serving DFW community for over 25 years. Dr. Thotakura is an outstanding, dynamic, corporate and community leader, a mentor and a role model to the community. His concern for the community welfare is unsurpassed, and as a person whom the community is sees as man in hour of need, he has earned an outstanding appreciation and respect among all cross sections of the society. He has many exemplary civic leadership and community service achievement. The best one is honorary doctorate degree for community service from Geetam University, Andhra Pradesh. He is the first NRI to receive the doctorate degree in the same category. He is associated with several organizations like Indian American Friendship Council, India Association of North Texas, Thana, Thantex, DCCD, Dallas Police Chief Racing Profile Board, KERA 91.FM, American Cancer Society, and numerous others. Dr. Thotakura has helped raising funds for several community projects, calamities, national and international causes. His most important contribution to the DFW community is the one we are here for. About 5 years ago, he came up with the idea of Gandhi Memorial. His nature of inclusiveness prompted us to call for cooperation from entire DFW community. Indian American Friendship Council joined in partnership with the most vibrant umbrella organization in Texas, India Association of North Texas, where Dr. Thotakura and I have served as a president and trustees. The search for the venue for this monument started. After 4 years of relentless effort, unparalleled cooperation from the City of Irving Mayor's Office, Park and Recreation Board, Las Colinas Board, Dr. Thotakura secured the MGMNT project in Thomas Jefferson Park, Irving, Texas, the best zip code in the entire United States. Mayor, you agree with me?
Yes.
On May 3rd, we all gathered here for the groundbreaking ceremony of the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Plaza. Could you believe that we had no balance in the bank, but only the confidence of our leader? He always told us not to worry about the money. If your intentions are good and you don't have a personal agenda, you will succeed. He had more trust in the team than team itself. With his leadership, teamwork, your support and blessings, we reached our goal about a month ago, and people are still offering the donations today. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your generosity. Today, we are here to see the fruits of our love. Entire DFW community's love and dedication, donations, prayers, and well wishes, a fulfillment of the community dream. MGMNT's dream, a leader's dream, Dr. Thotakura's dream. Without further ado, please help me with non-stop applause in welcoming my friend, my buddy, Chairman of Mahatma Gandhi Project, Dr. Prasad Thotakura. Hey, Prasad!
Thank you, Dev Guru. Thanks for your warm introduction. I don't deserve that because this project belongs to the whole community, not one person. One person needs to be there to lead the project, but doesn't mean that he is the only one person who can do everything. As you know, one person cannot do anything. Only with the commitment of committee members as well as the involvement of the community makes a big difference. That's what we prove today, that we can do it with a unified voice. We can have Puja Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi's memorial in diversified zip code, the great city, Texas, where they embrace diverse cultures. That's what we are doing today. Mahatma Gandhi, today we are celebrating his 145th birthday, the father of nation of India, who stood for peace and non-violence, crusader against injustice and exploitation in any form, inspiration to many social movements around the world. He was so aptly described by Albert Einstein, generations to come will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. He had the courage to say, "My life is my message." His life being an open book. His life had been an experiment with truth, and called his autobiography the story of my experiments with truth. The essence of his message is Sarvodaya, welfare of all, which covers the human, subhuman, and even the non-living world. Welfare of all is possible only with equality and mutual respect. He was much ahead of his times and cautioned us as to the limits to our existence. He endeavored to make an individual a good human being and a good citizen. He was so humble to announce that there is nothing new he taught the world. Truth and non-violence are as old as hills. His greatest gift to mankind is Satyagraha, non-violent resistance to injustice, using love as an instrument of social change. Satyagraha is born during the struggle of the rights of Indians in South Africa, where he spent 21 precious years. His relentless work for free India from British rule was meant to remove exploitation in any form. He announced that India got only political freedom, but it is yet to attain economic, social, and moral freedoms, which are less spectacular and more difficult to attain. He emphasized the value of foundations of society: truth, non-violence, love, compassion, and equality. He visualized a society free from exploitation, ignorance, illiteracy, disease, and the like. He called poverty a form of violence. He declared, "So long as my faith burns bright, as I hope it will even if I had stand alone, I shall be alive in the grave, and which is more, speaking from it." He is challenging us today and make us conscious of our trespasses. It is not too far that the world would recognize that Gandhi is the way. for many of its problems that it is confronted with now. We have to understand and interpret Gandhi from building a better future for mankind. It is more important for the younger generation to take the message and work of Gandhi forward. The world has become a small village with communications and transport with ever increasing scientific discoveries and technological progress. The planet should be a better place to live in. But man's ingenious mind is drawing mankind on the verge of extinction, perhaps even the entire life on the planet. The nuclear weapons possessed by global powers understand they can destroy human civilization 150 times. Chemical weapons, terrorist attacks, claiming innocent lives, pollution, corruption, and the like plague our society. As Dr. Martin Luther King rightly said, the choice before mankind is between non-violence and non-existence. Mahatma Gandhi is more relevant to our times than his own times. We need to take the message of non-violence, which essentially means non-offensive living, to everyone in the world. Mahatma Gandhi Memorial of North Texas is humble effort in having the monument in Irving City remind ourselves this important need to be dedicated ourselves to work for a better world. Today, it is a very auspicious day for the whole entire, not only Indian Americans, the whole different people, different parts of the country. That is the reason we make this as a global project, because Mahatma Gandhi is a global leader, not a leader for only one country. His philosophies and principles everlasting. That is the reason we humbly say that this project, with the hard work of all these people, also the advice from the Hispanics, African Americans, the Jewish people, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists, Jewish people, as well as our friends from Punjab, Pakistanis, everybody is together today, Sikhs, everybody is together today to make sure that this project is a global project, not belong to only one particular region or religion. I humbly say, only vision I had, but the hard work, everything went in. All these committee members who are standing here, as well as people like you, who opened your hearts and wallets, contributed to make sure that this project is a proud project, not only for our community, but Irving City also. We hope and we feel that we fulfill our dream. We are building this and giving this as a gift to the city. City, we are going to put this in good hands of city. City is going to have absolutely confidence. City is going to take care of this project forever. It is my humble time to recognize not only all these committee members, everybody put their heart and soul. Only one man who stood for months together in this heat to make sure that each and every project, every item, talking to every vendor is going on time, scheduled as we speak today. The only one person I can point out, although all my committee members did a great job, only Ravu Kalwala, the chairman of construction committee, who put his heart and soul, to this project. People like him, the commitment only makes this kind of project together with unified voice. We made it possible. We sincerely appreciate all your support and help. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to lead this project. Thank you once again. Now I request Mr. Ravu Kalwala, the Secretary of MGMNT, to come and say a few words.